Okay, so here we go. First off, if you want to see a video of these baits being made, check out the video that is linked at the end of this video to see the making of these baits and several more. So, quick little recap. We made these baits yesterday and promised Dave that we were going to go fish them today. And that's what this video is about. All about Dave. We're fishing, or we went fishing. Let's give a little details about this. Now, I probably rigged these wrong or something. I don't know. I'm not really sure how to rig them. I probably should have run this one with a worm hook, just like these two here. These two right here, these are the jig heads I had. Now, I had some regular jig heads without spinners on them. But just to give you a recap, so unfortunately, my camera filled up. And we got the video we got. So rain, thunder, and all that kind of stuff. Then when it got to lightning and some raining on and off, I decided to get out of there before I messed up my camera. We started with this smaller one here, graduated to this one, then tried this one, then this one, and then lastly this one. Now, these baits swam perfect. I was going to get some video of how well they swam at the end, but I wasn't able to do that because of the weather. But hopefully at some point in time in the future, I'll be able to do that. This one right here, I mean, every one of them swam beautiful except for this one. This one didn't really swim that well, and I think it would have done better if I had it on a worm hook. And I hadn't pulled these apart from actually casting this to begin with. So I believe it would have swam a whole lot better like that. Plus, I realize now that I had it all bunched up and it wasn't actually spread out properly. So I didn't even have the jig head on there the way it should have been. So let's go ahead and we're going to jump into the fishing part. Get that. We'll show you what all we had going on. Hopefully what all video I caught. And then we'll come back again at the end of that and we'll talk a little bit more about the baits and what we had going on during the fishing. So let's jump to it and we'll see you in just a little bit. Okay, so I just threw this together really quick, just an Ozark Trail spin cast, nothing special at all. It's actually, I think I've got like a 20-pound leader on the end of it. And, oh goodness. There we go. And so I gotten some of these, and I don't know how well that can be seen, but I'd gotten some of these little spinner jig heads, and I'm using that on the tails. I'm starting with a bigger tail. We're going to make a few throws and see what happens. Now, the trick to catching fish is calling Dave and asking for his help because I ain't good at it. But the trick to catching fish is to get the bait close enough to them that they can see it, giving them the opportunity to bite it, and then the rest is on you to get them in. And I ain't no good at all three of those. I watched a deal on YouTube where they said that fish eyes are just like ours. They have the same kind of setup. So they literally see the same as we do. So I don't know. It seems like a pretty neat spot. Casting out, pulling up underneath the limb. It's a little shady where we're at here, kind of on a point. Let's see what happens. it looks like it swims pretty good in the water. I have to get some video of that so you guys can see it. Felt like a little hit there. Oh, grass. So I'm not coming back with something on the hook, so I'm pretty sure it's not getting along the thing. Maybe too small to actually take it. Oh, get grass that time. Oh, oh. Holy fishing line. All right, to save some memory on the camera, I'm going to go ahead and shut you off and keep casting this and see if I can find something somewhere along the bank. Then we'll cut you back on. Otherwise, I'll cut you back on when I switch over to the pearlish gray one. Okay, so we swapped over to one of the gray swim shads. Let's see what happens. Somebody was over there in the boat. I don't know if you can hear them talking. I don't know if you can hear me talking. So I gotta wait for this in a minute so I can get further out there. I've definitely got to get some video of these baits swimming because they look pretty cool swimming. Get a weight. Toss a little 16-ounce weight. I don't know if you can hear that thunder and lightning, but that gets worse. Hey, can't risk my camera, I'm sorry. Okay. See if we can get further out there. The heck of it. Not much. But it's a little further. Okay, so in the video, you'll notice that I jerked the rod every now and then because I was getting some bumps on this one and this one. And then it was grass I hit on this one. I thought it was a hit, but it wasn't. This one I actually got a hit, but it just bumped. He didn't bite. So it may have been just too small to try to bite that big old thing right there, but I did get a bump. Then I went back to one of these small ones and I was fishing them for a little while. I wish I'd have grabbed one of these in gray and tried them, the smaller ones, because where I was at, I think I may have had better luck, maybe even caught something. Because dragging these in close to the bank, and I know it wasn't grass, because usually grass you'll feel a bump, but this grabbed and I felt it pull and move, and I was just reeling steady, and I didn't set the hook fast enough, and that was off camera just before I left. So Dave, we didn't get to scratch the fishing desire or need, but we are going to go back and we are going to do better. And we're going to hopefully pick a good day. Next weekend, I know I've got to work. I don't know if I have to work all weekend or if it's going to be all day each weekend or how. But I hope to try to get back out there this weekend and make another video on the rest of the baits and try a different spot at that same lake. So anyway, I appreciate you guys. Again, stick around, look at the card, and you'll see a video linking these being made. I appreciate you. I enjoy spending time with you. And Dave, we're not giving up. I promise. I'll see you next time. Your time is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.